Microsoft says, make cool animated 3D things and put them in PowerPoint presentations. Superb. I'm totally on board. Microsoft's guide for making 3D models for Office says Blender is good stuff. Excellent. Now, we try making our own animation in Blender. It is an excellent, high-quality, spinny flippy cube. Export as GLB. How do you pronounce that? I'll say GLB. Fun fact, GLB made the Scary Monkey toy and Micro Machines. Here you go, Mr. PowerPoint. Do you like it? And, nothing. No spinny flippy cube. Hey, Microsoft 3D Viewer, do you like it?
It's splendid. I like it very much. Thank you.
How about you, Babylon.js Sandbox? Is this a super legit animated GLB file?
It is all the way legit, sir.
Now let's try this. Open PowerPoint. Select this very weird horse. Save the file. Unzip the PowerPoint file. By the way, on a Mac, you can't use the built-in unzipper for this part because of reasons. Very good reasons. Get the GLB file. Then we open it in Blender 282A. Changing nothing, we export it as a GLB with default options. The animation is there, but we lost the material. If we adjust the material in Blender to go into one principled shader, export a GLB, and bring it back into PowerPoint, it looks much better. It even has the original animations. So, Blender can export GLB files with animation that PowerPoint is willing to display. Good to know. Now, what are we missing? Seems like something is not set up correctly in the Blender model. What's the secret ingredient? I look forward to finding out.